What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fluffy Mexicanic. I came home real quick to pick this up. Got a little surprise. Started my car. You'll see. I'm gonna do a cold start real quick, and then we'll get back to the shop and we will install the new mod that I got for the car. Pretty excited. So, give you all the cold start right now. All right, so there's the cold start. Now we're gonna head to the shop and I will see y'all there. All right, guys, I made it to the shop. Got the yellow beast right there, the angry bumblebee. Y'all heard how loud it is, right? Well, it's because there's a problem. It shoots flames when I get in it and then let off and bow. Big old freaking fireball out the tailpipe. I'm gonna show y'all what I bought that's gonna quiet this thing down. I'm gonna burn less fuel. It's not gonna be running so freaking fat and rich. And well, let me just tell y'all, I hit a $130 on the highway the other day.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
I let off and I just saw smoke coming from up underneath my console, my center console. I have a crack in my flex pipe, so I believe it was the crack is on top of the flex pipe, so it's hitting the bottom of the floorboard. So I think it was burning my carpet with how hot it was. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So if y'all don't know, I use this company a lot. Wish they'd sponsor me. It'd be nice, get free parts. But yeah, let's open this thing up. Okay. There you have it. ZZP long tube downpipe. Comes already with the O2 bung, actually O2 bung and wideband bung. My other one don't have, and man, this is pretty thick. My other downpipe is not as thick, but I don't know if it's gonna work because I have another type of header and downpipe, but that downpipe was cheap. So it goes in the vehicle like this. Header's up here, cat back's back there. I have a crack right here, so it's hitting the bottom of the car. And yep, sure shit, it has a high flow cat, an actual cat, not a test pipe. So I don't know if y'all can see that inside. There's an actual cat in there. Maybe if I go through this way, y'all can see the light. Yep. And there's an actual cat in there. Now I just don't know if it's gonna actually fit my header. If not, then I'm gonna have to buy a new header. I don't want to do that. So, all right. So this should be pretty quick. It's literally 2 bolts, 2 sensors. I forgot my AF sensor. I was gonna swap it out. But yeah, 2 bolts, 2 sensors, and a V-band. We'll show y'all where it's leaking. Real obvious. Oh, it's gotten worse. You see that dark black spot? See how you can see the body color and then it's just black. I think that's where it was burning through. But you see the hairs lifted, the metal lifted on the flex pipe. Yeah, we're gonna get that taken care of today. And it possibly looks like the other downpipe is long enough. So let's get some light. Let's get to it now. Oh, let me show y'all this too. That's not supposed to be like that. I've had that welded on 2 or 3 times already. This is the weight of this, the sensor, and that tube kept breaking because this is so thin. So I had welded this on. My dad did that for me. You know, he's a welder by trade. I'm excited. Take the sensors off first. because the way I got that one angled, I can't get it. I have to take that off when I get the pipe off. It's a 10, I don't remember. Ooh, a little hot. And I have different size bolts because they break or come loose. Race car shit. Well, and that's been here. I think that's a 16. Now I'm gonna put new bolts on here. Some that match. Twist this down. Oh fuck. Dang it. Not trying to pull that AF sensor out. Wideband. Although I think it's already burnt up. So here we are, all down pipe. Look at the thickness of that. That ain't shit. Just paper thin. You see that? How we got that welded up there? Man, wow. That thing just came apart. See if I can show y'all this. I don't know if y'all can see the metal in there. I don't know. Look at it. Right down in there where the light ends. Wow. Match these up. The weight on these. So different. Amazing. Ooh. It's a little longer. Dang. We'll see how this works. Maybe ZZP's pipe is a little shorter. They're long tube. Oh no, it's gonna work perfect. Oh yeah, we're in the money. I'm liking this already. Plenty of clearance for my O2 sensors. Let me go get some bolts. All right, it's gonna be awesome. I dropped my nut. Gasket. And I got some locking nuts. She's snug. Start this up. Oh, y'all couldn't see that. Perfect. Uh-oh. Oh no. Looks like I'm gonna have to get him an extension. Oh well.
What the fuck?
Well, put the O2 up front. And the wideband in back, since that's how I had it before. Pre-twist this. And I'm gonna have to zip tie him somewhere. Too tight. And there she does it. It's installed. I just zip tied those out of the way because how they really route is there's supposed to be a heat shield there, but when I first originally broke this and replaced my whole system, my heat shield got fucked up. I ran some big ass fucking huge double cardigan U-joint to a semi. Ran it over, dinged some stuff up, broke my transmission, which have a JB weld just to stop the leak, slow the leak. So I just have them zip tied up out of the way. Man, this looks nice. All right, I'm gonna lower her down and we're gonna start it up. And yeah, also another reason why I did this is because on idle, since it ran lean, right? Because the O2 sensor was picking up the oxygen from the exhaust leak, so it thought it was running lean and it dumped more fuel. So I was going through gas like crazy. So yeah, let's get a cold start. Not really a cold start, but sound clip. Gonna sound a little louder because of the shop, but at the same time it's gonna be quieter because now it has a cat. Alright, so before we do the exhaust clip, I'm gonna add in a clip from when I completely redid my exhaust after I ran that thing over. When I did the header front all the way down to the muffler. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now, and then we're gonna do this one. We're gonna cold start this one. Oh my God, that thing is so much quieter. Wow, I am freaking amazed. That thing quietened it down big time. All the noise was right here. It was all right here. Under the car, I could feel my feet vibrate. Wow, that thing is amazing now. I'm gonna have to do some flybys now. Wow, I'm amazed. I am truly amazed. My car is dirty, so excuse me.